Hello and welcome to Kartra Answers Q&A number 4. And the question today is Kartra Free. Brought to you by Marketing Funnels Lion. And a quick disclaimer, we do not work for Kartra. However, we do offer Kartra related services, and feel free to take a look at our website fastvanow.com. So the question is Kartra free? Well, how about $1? How about $1 for 30 days? We'll show you how to do that. Unfortunately, the answer is no. Kartra is not free. Let us show you different pricing plans. So welcome to Kartra. Let's take a look at the billing, and this will reveal different pricing plans. So Kartra has a starter plan that is $99 a month. You can see that my next billing will be on February 14th rather, and it will be $99. That's a Kartra starter plan. You can see it here. It does have certain caps that you might actually hit quite soon. It's only 2,500 leads, 15,000 emails. Here is the bandwidth, number of products, 1 custom domain only, 2 memberships. A lot of my clients run into this cap, 2 help desks, 1 team member, and you're not allowed to run it as an agency. So what happens if you run a silver? Silver plan is $199 a month, okay, or you can pay yearly. Yearly is actually a good deal because it's only $149 a month, but you have to pay the entire year. So what are the benefits? Well, number of leads increases to 12,500 leads, and then you have unlimited other assets except the custom domains. Now, the unlimited emails seems to be little unclear at this moment because, as you see, other plans have certain limits. So let's take a look at Kartra Gold. Number of leads has increased to 25,000, and then you have 5 domains. Kartra Platinum. And what's the cost for Kartra Gold? Let's take a look here. Monthly is $299. Kartra Platinum cost is $499 a month, and then you have 50,000 leads and 10 domains, and each domain is at $10 to add it as an individual add-on. So if domains are of interest, you probably don't need to go to Platinum. You can get that as additional domain. Kartra Diamond, and now you can see that we have 1 million emails, and then upgrade to the Diamond is $699. Kartra Enterprise, $1,000 a month. And here is a bigger Kartra Enterprise at $1,500, and then we have 50,000 leads, and yet another bigger enterprise with 1 million leads. Well, with 1 million leads, you're probably going to run out of the emails. You email everyone once, and then you'll be out of emails. And that's $2,000 a month. What happens when you, let's say you run starter plan and you have 2,500 and a 1 lead? As soon as you add 1 extra lead, you will be bumped to a silver plan. Okay, so the lead is the cap. Other assets are case by case. So if you add additional domain, you pay $10. It doesn't say it in here. But also, if you run over the bandwidth, here's the cost for additional bandwidth. So you can also run a trial, Kartra trial. So if you go to standard Kartra, and just go kartra.com, and you try to sign up for Kartra. Okay, so if you go to for example, get started, you see the plans that there is no trial unless you use one of my other videos that are in my channel. How to extend Kartra trial to 30 days, step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to put a link to this video in the chat, in the comments below, so please feel free to review this video. In this video, you'll learn how to extend your trial to 30 days for $1. You can also look at other channels if you'd like to learn more about Kartra. So, unfortunately, Kartra is not free, but it still offers a great deal for starter plan, $99 a month. You have a lot of features that, if you want to pay them individually, will cost you a lot more. If you'd like to learn more about Kartra, or perhaps hire us to customize the funnel for you, or build your funnels and build your membership sites, please visit our website, www.fastvanow.com. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, we will much appreciate that. It helps us grow on our channel. If you want to join the community and have access to free Q&A calls, please follow the link in the description. Thank you.